Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn Fast, Speak Confidently. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to practice a very useful topic, how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Your support helps us create more lessons for you.
Morning routine. So, let's begin with the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 6:45, but I stay in bed for 5 to 10 minutes. I check the weather and the headlines before getting up.
I do something similar. I stretch in bed for a few minutes before I stand up. After that, the first thing I do is open my curtains to let the sunlight in.
Nice. After I get out of bed, the first thing I do is brush my teeth and wash my face. Cold water really wakes me up.
You're brave. After that, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I eat breakfast, usually tea with yogurt and granola.
I'm a coffee person. I normally eat oatmeal with nuts and raisins.
Commute and work. How do you go to work?
I walk. My workplace is just a 12-minute walk away.
Lucky you. I usually take the tram and listen to a podcast on the way.
What time do you start work?
At 9. In the morning, I check my emails and prepare my lessons.
I work at a print studio, so I turn on the printers, check new orders, and prepare the day's schedule.
Lunch break. What do you eat for lunch?
I bring lunch from home, usually leftovers. Yesterday, I had roasted vegetables with noodles.
Nice. I usually bring sandwiches or rice with chicken. Sometimes I buy food from a small cafe near my workplace.
My afternoons are busier. I work on custom print orders for clients.
I have 2 more classes after lunch. Sometimes I feel sleepy if I eat pasta.
Same here. Carbs make me sleepy too.
Evening routine. So, what do you do when you get home?
The first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes. Then I check my plants and start preparing dinner.
I like cooking too, but I keep it simple. Stir-fried vegetables, pasta, or chicken with rice. If I'm tired, I make an omelet.
Same. And after dinner, I always wash the dishes. I need a clean kitchen to relax.
How do you relax?
Sometimes I watch documentaries or read a book. At least once a week, I call my parents.
I usually watch a series, and sometimes I play games with my friends. It helps me unwind.
Around 10:45, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and fill my water bottle.
I prepare my clothes for the next morning. Then I read for 15 to 20 minutes before sleeping.
I usually go to sleep around 11:30.
I sleep around midnight. I want 7 hours, but I often get less. Vocabulary recap. Usually. Something you do most of the time. Example. I usually wake up at 7.
After that, helps connect actions. Example, I eat dinner and after that, I wash the dishes.
Colleagues. The people you work with.
Relax, to rest or do something enjoyable.
Get dressed. Put on clothes. Get changed. Switch into different clothes.
Finish, complete something. Example, I finish work at 5.
Weekend routines. On weekends, I wake up late and enjoy a slow breakfast.
Same, I clean my apartment and sometimes meet friends for lunch.
Practice sentences.
I usually wake up at 7 and after that I take a shower. I take the tram to work and listen to a podcast. In the evening, I relax by watching a series.
I get dressed, and then I eat breakfast. At work, I talk with my colleagues and prepare lessons. After dinner, I wash the dishes and read a book.
So, what is one thing you always do in your daily routine? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching Learn Fast, Speak Confidently. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more lessons.